Stop by and take a look at the 2021 Spark. Chevy Spark, Chevrolet's first mini car, offers effortless driving on congested highways and roads with excellent fuel economy. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, steel wheels, tires, front performance, front disc rear drum brakes, tires, rear performance. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.